If you feel like your job applications are going into a black hole, you're probably right. Right now, a recruiter is spending an average of 6 seconds on your resume. You're not actually losing out to human judgment. You're losing to the software that filters you out before a human ever looks. Modern companies rely on applicant tracking systems. In this standard software filter, if your resume file does not intersect with specific keyword nodes, the system instantly blocks it. You could be perfectly qualified, but without an exact match, your application is dead on arrival. This creates a miserable cycle. You spend hours scrolling job boards, rewriting the same generic cover letter, and eventually burning out because the math is heavily stacked against you. But the rules of that system have changed thanks to a new class of AI called agentic tools. These systems actively browse web pages, interact with sites like a human would, and execute complex multi-step tasks on your behalf. Using these tools completely shifts the power dynamic. What used to be a grueling weekend of blind applications can now be handled by a highly targeted, automated workflow in just a few minutes. Let's build it step by step. Step 1 is giving the AI a target. As you can see from this aerial view of San Francisco, we are going to look for opportunities in the Bay Area. To find them, make sure your LinkedIn profile is updated and then install the Comet browser extension from Perplexity AI. Once installed, this browser extension reads your live LinkedIn profile to understand your context. You open the assistant right on your profile page and give it a specific prompt. Ask it to review your entire background, find suitable jobs in your target city, and rank the top 5 best fits. In seconds, it pulls a ranked list of roles. But notice the detail here. It generates a percentage fitment score for each job. It calculates exactly how well your specific experience aligns with the specific requirements of each position. It also provides explicit justifications for why you are a strong candidate for each role. This gives you clear, actionable intelligence on exactly which skills you need to highlight. Instead of opening 20 tabs and guessing if a role makes sense for you, you have a curated, data-backed roadmap. You're no longer hunting for listings. The right opportunities are being delivered directly to you. Now that we have our targets, we need to apply. Sending one generic resume to all 5 of those jobs guarantees the ATS software will filter you out. You need a tailored document for every single application. While Perplexity handles the web browsing, we're going to switch to Google Gemini for this next step. Specifically, we'll use its Canvas feature, which is a live document editor built directly into the AI interface. To build the foundation, we feed Gemini 2 pieces of information: the exact description of the job we just selected, and the complete text summary of our own LinkedIn profile. Here is how we ensure the layout looks professional without spending hours tweaking margins. As you can see in this Canvas split screen, we instruct the AI to generate the resume using LaTeX. This is a document formatting language that produces clean, structured code, which Canvas handles automatically in the background. We add one final instruction: force the output onto a single page. Recruiters do not have time for 2 pages, and editing it down shows you know how to prioritize. Canvas then renders that raw code into a highly polished, designer-quality layout instantly. You now have a document perfectly tailored with the required keywords to pass the automated software, while maintaining a striking visual structure for the human who eventually reads it. With the resume locked, the next step is to bypass the standard corporate application queue entirely. We do this by pitching directly to the department head or hiring manager. Say we're targeting a leadership role at Anthropic. We want to send our pitch straight to their CEO, Dario Amodei, whose profile we have here. We open Perplexity again, this time on his LinkedIn profile. We prompt the AI to scrape his recent public statements, blogs, and talks. The goal is to identify the immediate operational problems he is trying to solve right now. Look at this generated letter. The AI takes those specific scraped details and weaves them into a customized pitch. It structures your exact skills as the clear solution to the specific growth problems the company is actively facing. While the AI handles the bulk of the research and drafting, your intervention is what makes the application viable. You need to review the output, inject your own personality, and mention specific quirks or perspectives that a machine cannot replicate. That human layer is what establishes genuine cultural fit. When it comes to interview prep, relying on standard chatbots is risky. They often hallucinate or pull irrelevant information from the wider internet, giving you generic or entirely incorrect advice. To fix this, we use Google Notebook LM. This tool operates strictly as a closed system. It will only generate answers based on the exact documents you upload to it. You start by populating a new notebook with the materials we've just created: your tailored resume, the custom cover letter, the job description, and the company research you compiled. Next, you command the AI to run a mock interview. As you see in the chat interface, the AI poses a highly specific question based on your uploads. You type in your answer, and it evaluates your response. It then grades your answer on a scale of 1 to 10. It identifies exactly what details you missed and provides actionable, bulleted suggestions on how to better align with the company's specific strategy. For a different approach, you can use Notebook LM's audio overview feature. This converts your uploaded documents into a dynamic 2-person podcast, allowing you to listen to a deep dive discussion about your own career profile. This perfectly constrained environment turns the unpredictable anxiety of an interview into a highly structured, data-backed rehearsal process. You've now moved from a blank screen to a complete application suite, a data-ranked job list, an ATS-optimized LaTeX resume, a targeted pitch, and a closed-system interview simulator. This is a level of preparation that used to take days of manual effort. Then is a massive, expanding gap in the current job market. On one side are the applicants still grinding through generic submissions, and on the other are those operating with this exact systems approach. Watch how this flows together. By linking these digital tools, you replace fragmented searching with a unified pipeline. It allows you to focus on high-level strategy and interview performance rather than the mechanical work of formatting and searching. Before your next interview, plug your resources into Notebook LM and test the audio feature yourself. And to make sure you stay ahead of these rapidly evolving workflows, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next